Beaver Dam is undergoing a major renovation, but the cost, it's over the budget.
Our Christina Van Zelst explains how you can help.
It's a building that's been a part of Beaver Dam for decades.
How it is built is truly remarkable.
St. Catherine Drexel Church standing tall 120 years later, but with the old comes the need for new.
The altar will come out to here.
So the parish has started a $3.4 million project to renovate the building.
People want to be able to maintain historic buildings. They hate seeing these great historic buildings torn apart or fall apart.
The renovations started the week after Easter and are well underway, but the project is 10% over budget, and for the first time, the parish is asking for the public's help.
We're in need of about $340,000.
The church is looking for as much help as possible, the money going toward major repairs like flooring, new pews, tuck pointing, and adding onto the building.
If we don't find a way to fund this additional amount, we'll have an ongoing cost expense after the renovation.
Father Irwin says if the money is not raised, it could harm the ministry and outreach the parish does, but hopes that won't be the case.
Our goal is to have Mass back in here by Christmas.
In Beaver Dam, Christina Van Zelst, Fox 6 News.